The American landscape has been shaped, indeed put together in large part, through a materials joining process called welding. And like so many traditional trades in this country and around the world, welding has evolved into an aggressively hired technology. Materials joining today is both art and science, driven by new materials that require innovative techniques for them to be joined. Back in the day, a welder would strike an arc, flip a face shield over their eyes, and through a super amped stick, make two pieces come together at the weld point. Over decades of historic events that drove innovation, skilled laborers made it happen again and again. Eventually, the joining of new materials for imaginative applications in literally thousands of products also created the urgent need for a highly skilled worker, known as a welding and joining technician.
Many other products that you see every day have very hard and stringent requirements. From the International Space Station, to the Space Shuttle, to the high-speed bullet trains, to the automobiles, they require very highly qualified welding technicians to manufacture those products. And the welding technician must have the skill and the knowledge to make sure that the weld quality are of the best.
Well, we're here at State College of Science. We're trying to make you guys welding technicians. The difference between a welding technician and a welder, okay? Welder, you got the skills, you're under the hood, you're joining metal together. Welding technician, you're really knowing what's happening in the background. You're knowing the metallurgy. You're knowing what's happening in the electrical theory of that power source. You're knowing how metals are going to react with one another and how to control those distortions. You're dealing deep into the blueprint reading and the physics and the design of what you're actually putting together.
Welding is no longer a field that is strictly metals-based. It now includes the joining of polymers, plastics, ceramics, man-made fibers, and other new materials. A welding joining technician degree can be earned from a 2- or 4-year institution, with the possibility for graduate degrees, continuing education, and higher skilled training over a lifelong career.
This is a field that's just wide open. There was a program in place for me to attend college here taking welding. I had some exposure to welding, but I didn't have the formal education. I definitely am excited about welding.
If somebody has the interest to becoming involved in welding, it's important that they learn to the best of their ability all the various processes, all the technological things that are involved. Life is constantly learning and keeping up to date on the things that we need to know.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I know when I graduate, there'll be 15 to 20 job opportunities waiting for me.
It's estimated that more than 200,000 welding and materials joining technicians will be needed over the next 5 years. And job placement rates are very high. In 2007, the National Science Foundation awarded a multi-year grant for the creation of a National Center for Welding and Materials Joining. Today, the Weld Ed Center, located near Cleveland, Ohio, is on track to meet the growing demand for welding and materials joining technicians across America. The Weld Ed Center, in achieving its mission, has brought together dynamic partners from business and industry, community and technical colleges, universities, the American Welding Society, and government.
As a partner in the Weld Ed Center, one of the things that the American Welding Society believes is very important is the professional development for educators. We need to make sure that educators are not only prepared in the latest technologies, but also effective teaching strategies and how do we teach young people new technology. It's also important that we share all of these new strategies and techniques.
The Weld Ed Center focuses on professional development of faculty, recruitment of tomorrow's workers, and the establishment of a national network of cutting-edge equipment labs featuring both education and premier industry partners. These state-of-the-art welding labs, classrooms, and innovative workplaces conduct applied research, experiential learning, and explore the new wave of America's tomorrow. The Weld Ed Center supports a K-16 pipeline of exciting career pathways. that invite young people to explore becoming a welding technician. These are great jobs, living wages, and can support lifelong careers. The Weld Ed Center mission, vision, and national network will provide significant assets in supporting the education and training of highly skilled technicians for today's and tomorrow's welding and joining jobs. A multitude of materials joining industries need skilled welding technicians who know how to use automation, robotics, and related technologies that increase productivity and quality.
For us, employees that come to us or develop skills in math and science, or more importantly, problem solving, are definitely more valuable to us.
Like this Lockheed employee.
I was able to use my skills to relocate to this Lockheed Martin. As a trained welding technician, I can work in any 9 positions or stations in this building.
The American Welding Society supports the work of the Weld Ed Center as a natural partner in advancing the materials joining industry through education, training, and hands-on technical applications of state-of-the-art technology. The center also enjoys the support of the National Science Foundation, plus welding and materials joining industry leaders, as well as major welding equipment and supply manufacturers. The opportunities are endless, from high-tech building construction, underwater materials joining, automotive manufacturing, aerospace, business, agriculture, energy, and applications we haven't even thought about today. If you want a job and a career where the action is, then come to where the sparks fly. Don't be surprised when you find yourself at the cutting edge of American enterprise as a welding and materials joining technician.